Yo, what up, YouTube guys? In this video, we're going to talk about the laziest way to make money, okay? In person and online, okay? Before we get to that, make sure you sub up to the channel. This is the time to make content every single day. Today is January 1st. I want to encourage each and every one of you to make content on a daily basis, okay? Whether you're documenting what you're doing already, or you're creating content and making videos. I recommend, I don't care who is watching this video. If you're watching this video, it means you have a YouTube channel. If you have a YouTube channel and you're not utilizing that YouTube channel to its fullest, I don't understand why not. Because content creation is the laziest way to make money online, and which means it's the easiest way to make money online. I promise you, if you make videos and content every single day consistently, you're going to get out of it way more than you expect. Okay, I promise you that. YouTube is on easy mode right now, and what I mean by that is you can just document and or record, and you make videos daily, which I recommend you do daily. You're going to get compensated very well. I promise you that. Okay, so whoever's watching this video, I want you guys to understand that today, if you see this video, this is your sign. This is it. Start making videos daily, okay? That way you can do whatever you want to do in your spare time, okay? But understand this. You can create content on vacation, at home, at work, at, gaming. It just keeps going on and on and on. There's no type of income like content creation. Okay, YouTube is going to take care of you. Okay, I promise you that. But you got to be consistent so YouTube can trust you enough to pay you. Okay, YouTube monetization is lovely. Understand that if you're new to YouTube, new to creating content, you got to create videos all the time. You got to get better at it 1% every day. Okay, I promise you, you do 1% every day, you're good to go. This video is for any beginners, any new people that just don't know what to do. This is the video for you. To start making videos and press that button. Press record. Okay? I make videos about my in-person hustle on YouTube, and then YouTube brings me more customers, okay? Most of my clientele, I say 85 to 90% of my clientele, when you're talking about curb painting and making money, is through YouTube, okay? I promise you, YouTube is the best platform, right? And the biggest platform for you to get customers and just to be relevant like forever. You feel me? So if you can make it evergreen content, even better. Be purposeful. Do your research. Think about what you do, and then you do it. Okay? You gotta understand that. The laziest way to make money online, content creation. Content creation, YouTube will and can help you so much. And I promise you, you will get out of it way more than what you put into it. A lot of people don't understand. A lot of people are not used to talking to a camera. They're not used to making content, and I understand that. But you got to get used to it. You got to get better. We're creating content every single day. Today is January 1st, and we're going to make videos every single day. So if you watch this video right now, sub up to the channel, because it's completely free. And I just want to show you guys how to make money, whether it's online or in person. That's what we're going to cover in this channel. Okay? So sub up, give this video a thumbs up, not a heart, not a smiley face, a thumbs up. Okay? And then drop any questions you got in the comment section. If you got no questions, W in the chat. All right? We making videos, we making money all 2025. And I want to salute to everybody who is watching this video and who is subbed up. Okay, if you sub up to this channel, I want you to drop that in the comment section. Let me know you subbed up. I'm going to put you guys on game, okay? We're making content daily. I promise you, you're going to get more out of this channel than you think. I want to inspire all my young people. Just press record. I know you probably have a busy life with school and sports and all that stuff right there. Just press record. Do what you can in your free time. But content creation is for everybody, young and old. At least just document what you're doing. Okay, what do you do every day? Just record it. They're like, well, I don't want to talk. Okay, don't talk. Just record. At least do that. At least do that. You do that, you're going to get out of YouTube. Go on vacation when you want. Buy the things that you want. And I say these things over and over again. But people listen, but they don't really necessarily do it. I need you guys to understand where I'm coming from, okay? In the last few of my lives, okay, I show you guys how to make money in person, okay, curve painting. But I want you to understand what I'm doing right there. I'm making really good money in person, and I'm recording it and making content from it, right? I'm licking my lips like a popsicle because they dry, all right? And we ain't editing nothing. We're going to keep that in there, okay? But like I was saying, okay, what I'm doing is I'm creating content by doing a really good in-person side hustle or hustle, right? I'm recording that hustle, and it's like a double whammy, okay? You want in a perfect world, you're going to get paid really good money for an in-person job, and then you're going to be able to record and or document that content and have it go on forever and ever and ever. When you get old, you have it to look on. It's just there's nothing bad about recording the content that you have. And if it is bad, then you should second guess that, okay? But other than that, like, you should be good. Like, you want to just create the best purposeful video every single day. And if you can do more than one, even better. Okay, even better. 2025, we're being serious about, and we're going to be purposeful about all the videos that we post. We want to be mindful. We want to understand that everything takes time. There's no substitute for experience. And you got it in you to be the person you want to be. You got it in you to live the life you want to live. You got it in you to take care of your family. You got it in you to make the money you want to make. You got it in you. This channel is dedicated to helping everybody out, okay, with money. And why do I say that? Money is not everything, but everything needs money. And once you financially set, you can do whatever you want to do, however you want to do it. If you're not financially set, you can't do what you want to do. You got to do it like someone tells you to do it. I'm not saying quit your job. I'm saying create content so you don't have to listen to nobody else. You do your own thing. I promise you, you're going to get better at it day by day. And if you're not getting better day by day, you should question that. You should think, okay, I should get 1% better. Just 1%. Because that's going to add up over time. And the outcome is just going to be amazing. Okay, understand that. Be purposeful. Make good content. Okay? You're documenting your life. You're finding your fan base, and your fan base is finding you. You are making your brand, and your brand is getting bigger. There's nothing bad that comes out of content creation, and you need to understand that digital real estate, which is content creation that goes on forever and ever and ever, digital real estate is your best bet to living the best life you could possibly live. Peace!